This is Royal Alcazar in Seville in southern Spain. This royal palace is home to some of the most elaborate architecture in all of Europe. Let me show you around, share my tips to make the most out of your visit and, well, hopefully you won't get lost like I did.
Good morning, it is 6:39 here and the lights... Good morning, it is 6:39 here and in southern Spain, in where the hell are we? Alcazar, in it's called Andalusia. That's it, Andalusia. And we are just about to head off to Alcazar, which is in Seville. It's cold, it's wet, and it's miserable after two very sunny hot days here in the Costa del Sol. So we'll get on our way.
And in Latin American Spanish you would say nació.
Now in the back streets of Seville, about to head into Alcazar. I'm here in the Labyrinth Maze, as you can see, and I'm I'm lost, truth be told. I thought I'd take the opportunity to tell you a bit about getting in. I arrived bang on opening time. It's quite a queue already, so if you wanted to be first in, I'd suggest that you get here at least half an hour early, or alternatively book a ticket on the website, because that means you get into the much shorter queue. Still lost, by the way. I'm not even sure where the middle is. So book a ticket online, and also another thing to note is that there's an upper palace which looks great. You also need to book online for that, really. They do sales on the day, but they're all sold out when I got here today. The queue that I had went around the corner. It took about 45 minutes to get in, so not too bad really. Still going on this maze. Honestly, I don't think there's a middle. I think you just keep going until you get back out the front again. Yes, made it out. I think that's me out anyway. Yes, just leaving Real Alcazar now. It's a spectacular place. Listen, right next door is Sevilla Cathedral, which is amazing too. Oh, hey, and while you're at it, get to this place too. Plaza de España. Plaza de España. Get in, it's amazing.